Hey guys, welcome to 2-Minute Tips. If you have ever had this happen to you and you've gone, oh dear, where are the rest of my windows? You may have hit the Tilde key. This can be very useful because it'll full screen any panel that you are using, but it can also be quite concerning when suddenly all of your panels seem to disappear. It's a very handy tool to full screen the program window so you can watch through your video and see how the edit is looking. You can also use Control Tilde to really full screen your video, which is a great thing to do at the end of your edit to preview it before you export. You then have to press Control Tilde to get back out of that view. Have you ever become stuck wondering where all your windows went? I definitely did when I first started using Premiere. Let me know in the comments below. Make sure you subscribe for more Premiere tips just like this, and I'll see you next time.